Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make text transparent in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you this on a solid picture with a single layer. If you want to make text transparent by actually writing it, I don't actually know how to do it, so you can check it out somewhere else. But if you want to make text transparent, such as this, you can very easily write on top of a picture, screenshot it, and then edit it like this, and it should work perfectly fine. Now, the way you can make text transparent, first you need to select the text, and for this, we'll be using the magic brush or the magic wand tool. It is this sort of icon here, and you just need to hold down Shift and click on all the letters that you want to modify. Now, as you can see, it isn't doing a perfect job at this. However, we will be taking steps to make this a bit better. And if you select absolutely everything like so, it does help if you have solid colored letters. It will make much less of a problem for you later. But let's say I select all of these like so. Again, I'm holding Shift down the entire time so that I can select multiple areas and multiple objects, such as this. And once I do this and select everything, as you can see, it is not perfectly selected, but let's say this is what I want to have. Now, to make sure that the entire text is selected, you go into Select, go into Modify, go into Expand, and add, for example, 2.5 or 3 pixels. I'm pretty sure you can't go into decimals when it comes to pixels. Now, as you can see, it is all selected. It does have a bit of the background selected as well. But once this is selected, all you have to do to make it transparent is just click the delete button. And as you can see, it is a bit difficult here where it has selected between two letters. However, you can always just deselect and start over and make sure you don't expand it as much as I did. But if you click delete, it should make the text transparent, and that is literally all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.